Alright, round two. So I had some sensitive information pop up. So, I have this issue with my computer. Hopefully it'll do it again, because it's been doing it a while. Where it'll start to jitter. Of course, it's not doing it right now. I usually notice it when it's playing videos. Because obviously in the video it's easy enough to spot, but the mouse will do it. The whole computer will do it on its own, but it's the easiest to notice when video or audio is playing. But there's a little bit of it there. Yep, now it's starting to do it. And the mouse will freeze, the audio will freeze. But as you can see, my computer isn't under any sort of real load. Yeah, now it's starting to do it. Now, I've upgraded the graphics card, the power supply. I've added more memory using the exact same brand of memory. Swapped out the sticks. Gone down to single sticks, tried it. And single channel, dual channel. Let's see if I can get it to do it with just the mouse. But it's not like I can play games, it'll be fine for a long time, but then it'll just start these freaking hiccups. I have no idea what they are. And the speed, yeah, that's up to 100 kilobits per second. That's not any real speed. So here's my Ryzen Master deal. See if I can get another mouse hang up. Now there's a little one. Just these little freaking hang ups. And sometimes it's just one, and few and far between. Those aren't so bad, but then I'll get them so bad, and then it'll get so frequent, and then the whole system will blue screen. And it just throws these just random ass, oh, there's a big one. Random ass blue screen. They're not consistent. They either point to graphics card issues, driver issues, or power delivery issues. And they're easiest to notice, obviously, when you're listening to audio or playing a video, because those are the easiest ones. And I'll post what my system setup is. Yeah, there's another one. I was starting to get a couple in a row. Yeah. And so the mouse will just hang for, half a second, quarter second. And the computer isn't really doing anything. Yeah, there's, I think, the 3 hang-ups. I mean, nothing that should be causing the computer to just absolutely eat shit like that. So, I don't know. Post this up on Reddit. See if anybody has any clue what can help me. Because I work with computers. Normally I'm able to solve some kind of odd issues, but I've been scouring the internet, and I've tried a lot of different things, one of which even have been to just completely blow away my OS and start over. I've also run hard drive scans that haven't found anything. I've run mem checkers that haven't found anything. What is that? Mem test 86, nothing. CPU testers, CPU stress tests, nothing. System stress tests don't crash the system. It seems to be only related to Windows. I would switch to Linux and run that for a long period of time, but unfortunately, I'm Office 365 dependent for work. So I'm kind of stuck there. Yeah. So, if you have any ideas, I'm willing to try just about anything at this point in time. Anyway, thanks for taking a look at it.